Hey, what is going on, guys? This is the Thursday evening for looking at the blueprint. Go to it. I need to log in. All right, so we pretty much got everything except one. That was the PLUG, right? Let's pull this up. So Thursday evening. Kind of what happened today, AREX, right here on the Wednesday. And that got moved to a sell. So Thursday evening, that one sold, right? So Wednesday, go down to the third one in the middle. We did adjust it to that 258 for AREX. That sold off. TLGT, we talked about yesterday about a stop loss for that one. That one triggered and went. And we were left with PLUG. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. For the RSI and CCI, it's kind of trending down today. Had this long leg down, but again, the open and the close were right next to each other, so people still found or perceived the value to still be around $2. Again on this Arun, guys, I really like the way this looks. So if this bounced up and crosses over, that's good. I mean, look at the chicken money flow. People are really drastically bought into this. So, and the ADX, oh, it's right there. So a lot of room to accumulate. It's turned out. We're looking for Friday to be a good day. Depending on how Friday goes, in the first 3 hours of the market, I would decide maybe to hold till Monday. Because Monday's always a big pop in the mornings and then settle down. So that's the big thing there. So let's take a look at PLUG on the trend spider. Now I was looking at AREX and that one kind of broke down. So again, the blueprint's just the foundation. If you feel like AREX, it was a good sell on Wednesday. Probably could have got more out of it on Wednesday than we did, but I promise you I'd trade exactly to the blueprint. Again, the blueprint's the foundation risk management tool that we have found helpful to keep us on track. It's not perfect, but it is a tool to help manage risk rather than just holding on to something and hoping it comes back, or not knowing how to play it, or not know when to get out or when to get in. Everything can go any way every day, but that's why I take 10 to 15 minutes, check these things, and make decisions based on that. I will probably do another week of these, maybe in a couple weeks, since next week's 4th of July, and we won't be trading that week. So here's PLUG here on the daily versus the weekly. You see it did have the long wick down, and the small green is, they were within a cent of opening at 198 and closing at 199. It kind of did what we said it would this week. It kept bouncing off this trend line going down. Again, looking at the breakout, because that shaking money flow, people have bought in at that upper end. So it's kind of sitting around, a lot of accumulation around 198, 199. So we should see a pop. Hopefully that pops tomorrow so we get out of the week and move on. If not, potentially hold it over until Monday. So if we do that, we'll definitely alert it. All day long, this has been trading up and down, or traded down actually below, and then came its way back up here at the end of the day. Again, next resistance at 203. We did get in at 201. Scalp off at 1 to 3% profit would be good. But let's see what tomorrow brings. The Mad Blueprint. We're where are we at? We are around negative 3%. That's more like 1 to 3%. So we just want to check alerts. The three options for tomorrow: really, you're going to sell for a profit, 0 to 4%. You're going to mitigate your loss, and hopefully you don't. This is where if we had more than one stock, and you're going to take a loss, and it's kind of right there, 1 to 3%. Put a stop loss in at a certain point so you're not taking a 5% loss, unless you did well and you gained very well on another one where you can risk more and depending on the chart, maybe you do a negative 5%. But again, this is the foundation for risk management on the way we trade. I probably would have sold some on Wednesday. That's a little bit out the realm of the mad blueprint, but then again, I told you I'd just stick to the blueprint and sell accordingly to it. So it's not a perfect tool, but it is a tool to help you mitigate your risk and not lose as much money, and also to make consistent decisions on when to take profit as well. So this is the basis. If you're new to trading, this is the basis that we've done, and the more consistent you do it, the more it becomes a habit. Take this, build it for yourself, maybe even tweak it. Maybe it's something that you will feel that fits better, that we're not catching here. If you find something that could potentially work better, definitely post it in the chat room, and we'll definitely look at it. But if it benefits you, again, I'm here for you guys, or I'm showing it for you guys to make it better, learn, and we all can improve every day, continuous learning. And I hope, again, this is helpful, guys. Plug. I'm very curious what it's going to do tomorrow with this huge run on the Chaikin money flow right here, and then this Arun, if it bounces up and goes over. I'm very curious on what is going to happen tomorrow. Let's go to actually called Seeking Alpha. Oops. Seeking Alpha.com, which has a lot of news articles on stocks. This is kind of where a lot of people post, or people are write articles. So back on June 11th, PLUG Power acquires American Fuel Cell for MEA Tech. Oil prices were up today. That could help with why PLUG kind of went up and has the Chaikin money flow. So if the oil prices keep going up, that's a good sign, since they are a power company. So even though we do focus a lot on biotech, there are some that are outside that realm, like this one.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:30. All right, guys, with that said, I am done. Hope this is helpful, and we'll talk to you later.